My name is Lars Nordström. I'm Vice Chairman and Chairman for the Culture Board in our region. I've been that for 15 years. And our region is quite new region, just 15 years old. And we have developed a lot of activities there because we changed the structure of the region. Traditionally it's an industrial region, and now we must work with other questions. For instance, service sector, information, tourism, and other oriented sectors to the information sector. When the region started, we decided that we must work with other regions in Europe, and we often work with regions outside Europe too, but this international context is very important. We learn from others that have been working with, for instance, tourist question for a very long time, and we perhaps can learn them a little how we do. And now have been successful in that, means that we have increased the culture budget, so we are the most richest culture budget in our country compared with a number of inhabitants. In that area we have a lot of connection, and Chartres is one of them, and we was a member of it when it started, and we really hope that we can continue these activities because we have learned a lot of the other countries, for instance here in Greece, but also in Wales and the other part of the Chartres. And it has started a process where people learn each other, they can inform each other, they can make reports, and they can make some form of proposal to the European Union. And we hope that we will continue to do that because we need help from other parts of Europe, and we need also help from European Union because it's very difficult and expensive to do everything by yourself. When we have remember now our Chartres, we have taken part of it very active, and during this session here we have 3 seminars that we organized, and we continue to work with the other groups also outside Chartres. So Chartres has been some form of mentor for our cooperation with other regions. So I'm very proud to be here, and I really will thank the organization for doing this and to do it in that qualified way.